guys, welcome back to my channel. As a mom, I feel like I always have a to-do list, and I'm sure you do as well, because with little ones, we are always totally distracted and pulled in a million directions. But today I'm actually going to collaborate with Heather McCarthy, and we are going to try to tackle our to-do list. Now, I tried to keep my to-do list down to like 6 or 7 items, and I'm hoping that I can get all of those actually accomplished in the course of this video. It may be filmed over the course of a couple of days because obviously motherhood kind of takes my attention away sometimes. But like I said, I am collaborating with Heather. I've collaborated with her before, and if you have not checked out her channel yet, you need to. If you like my content, hers is very similar. She does a lot more cleaning motivation than I do, but her videos are always totally motivating. Her husband is currently deployed, so she is a military wife, and I just love her channel. Make sure you click on the link in the description box below and go check out Heather. But with that being said, we're going to go tackle the to-do list one step at a time. Hopefully we can get it accomplished. Hopefully this little man will let me, and let's get to it.
So here is a quick little glimpse at my to-do list. I have multiple rooms, multiple closets, multiple things to do on this list. And to get started, we're going to head into my very messy laundry room. I have not touched this room in forever. I have so much junk going on in here, and it really just needs to be tackled. Now, like I said, you will notice multiple different outfit changes because this was recorded over the course of a few days. But today I am tackling this laundry room. My goal is to pull everything out, organize it, get the washer and dryer wiped off, sweep the floor, etc., and just get it functioning again.
Was not our day. Me struggling to stay awake. You begging to catch a break. Today we wanted great. But I still want my space. I'm still working on my grace. I say I'm over it, I'm over it, I'm over it. But I'm not over this, not over us, not over it. I say I'm over it, I'm over it, I'm over it. But I'm not over this, not over us, not over it. Not over this, not over us, not over it. Tonight is not our night.
So another day and another task. Today I am in my master bedroom. I am actually going through some clothes that I no longer wear. I went through a big like LuLaRoe phase, and now I'm kind of over it. So I'm kind of getting a few things out that I'm going to try to sell, and obviously Grant is really helping me with this. I loved watching that little clip back because that is life with a 1-year-old when you're really trying to get something done. But I wanted to go ahead and go through some of those things, and then I'm laying them out right here to take a picture for Facebook Marketplace to try to sell them. So far no luck, so they may end up just going to Goodwill, but I wanted to go ahead and clear out my closet just a little bit to make room for things that I actually wear.
Not over this, not over us, not over it. I'll say I'm over it, I'm over it, I'm over it. But I'm not over this, not over it.
Sticking with the theme of closets, we are now heading into Paxton's room. This is my 5-year-old, and honestly, y'all, his closet is just a little bit embarrassing at this point. Like, it's organized-ish. Like, I know where things are, but it's messy. So my goal was to kind of work on a few areas and make it a little bit more functional and put away some of the clothes that he's not going to wear until next summer. So right now I am tackling like his pajamas. Down here at the bottom, I had them like organized, like with like quotations around it. I had like shirts on one side, pants on the other. But they were constantly getting pulled out and messed up. So I went ahead and just like utilized a dollar store bin, and I went ahead and organized it the same way, just inside the bin. So one side is shirts, one side is pants. As a mom of 5, my kids' pajamas don't always match. That's real life. It doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things, but I wanted to go ahead and organize that and then go through the rest of his clothes and kind of get things put away, get the toys put away, etc.
Over it. I know you're moving on up to the east side where your heart can come alive, and I will stay on the sidelines for now. Change comes with every falling leaf. There's so much I cannot see, and so much I want to say. Don't leave my side, darling. Don't leave my side, darling. Don't leave my side, darling. Don't leave my side. But if you do, would you come running home soon? You still got time today. We can wait for the sunset or drive and catch up with your friends. It's your choice, darling. Where do you want to go?
Next on the list is to vacuum the upstairs. So I went ahead and vacuumed the landing, and then I'm going to move into the boys' rooms and get that all vacuumed as well. The only other room upstairs that I did not vacuum is my master bedroom, and that's because we actually just recently did that, as in like 2 or 3 days ago. So we don't use that room a lot. It doesn't get very messy, but it felt good to go ahead and get the rest of the upstairs vacuumed.
Darling, don't leave my side. Darling, don't leave my side. Darling, don't leave my side. But if you do,
So this task is not on my to-do list, but as a mom, laundry is always on the to-do list. I don't need to write it down. It's just something that I have to do every day. I have to keep up with it. So I'm going to go ahead and fold these 2 baskets and then move on to the rest of the list. So here we are on another day, another outfit change. I actually filmed this video over the course of like a week, but today is the day after Halloween, and so I want to go ahead and take down all of my Halloween decor because the goal of the weekend is to pull out my Christmas decor. So I'm kind of just going by room, pulling down the decor that I had set up for our Halloween party. I am going to be posting a day in the life vlog that kind of like goes through our entire like Halloween week sometime next week, and in that I show all of the decor that I put up for our party. But it's a lot of spider webs, so I'm going to go through and just kind of get all of those taken down, which was easier said than done when it came to like the florals in my home. The spider web really liked to stick to that, but it is what it is, and it's coming down, and y'all, I just cannot wait for Christmas. Anyone else? Like, honestly, as I'm filming this voiceover, I already have one tree set up.
go on, take a stab at my heart. Sharpen all the knives you got. 'Cause I'm bulletproof from a shot, and you won't escape me or fake me out. I'm ready, ready. I'm ready for ya. I'm ready, yeah. 'Cause I'm fearless, fearless, fearless. Yeah, I'm fearless, fearless, fearless.
So we are in my garage here. We actually set up a haunted house for our Halloween party, and then for trick-or-treat night, it was still up as well. So I'm kind of just going through here and taking down a majority of the stuff so I can put it away in bins or put it in the garbage can if it was messed up. But all of the black contractor bags I'm going to have my husband take down later, but I wanted to go ahead and take down the small items that I could actually like reach and remove myself.
Left me for dead while you run. Well, I only have just begun. I'm burning up brighter than the sun. 'Cause I'm fearless, fearless, fearless. Yeah, I'm fearless, fearless, fearless. Come on, take this, baby, I'm reckless. Yeah, I'm fearless. And you're never gonna break me, never gonna shake me down.
So this next task has been on my to-do list in my mind for like forever. Honestly, this is something I need to do more often than I actually do. But I needed to clean my couch. Now, all of these cushions can be like taken apart and washed, but I only do that a few times a year. I love to use this Scotchgard cleaner and kind of just spray. You leave it on for about 5 minutes and then you just wipe it off with a wet cloth and it works great. So if you guys have like microfiber couches like I do, the Scotchgard cleaner is actually really good.
Come on, take this, baby, I'm reckless. Yeah, I'm fearless.
Okay, so it's been a busy few days, and I think I'm going to go ahead and call this to-do list done. I was going to go ahead and tackle the front closet, but I don't have a bin to put all of the Halloween costumes in right now, so I'm going to go to the store later and do that. So that's not going to be included in this video. But I hope that you all enjoyed this. I hope that it motivated you to go ahead and tackle your to-do list. Be sure to check out Heather's channel in the description box below, and be on the lookout next week for some Christmas videos coming your way.